It's a quick update, a couple of hours later, it's 9:45. So that's what they've achieved so far. Thought there was, even in there's one, look. Dirty bastard. Can expect more respiratory problems soon, I think. Another one just come tanking through. That's just disgusting, isn't it? And the other one's still up there. All of that from aircraft. The whole bloody lot. Another criminal come to join the fray. Got another one going across that's looking northeast and he's headed south. You can just see that cover, it's just unbelievable, isn't it? All come from aircraft, and you try and tell people, show them. It's so bloody obvious. Okay, let's just have a quick look around here. Let's see the devastation. There's another one active there, I'll come back to him in a minute. There's one over there. Very deep in that cloud, not going to see him. Of course this one's still making his way, and of course there is one coming up behind him. In the short time we're in the woods, you just come out, there's another one shooting across there. creating this thick chemical cloud soup, the results of which we're all going to have to breathe in at some point in the not too distant future, like a number of hours, possibly up to 24. I don't know, I've never really, I don't know how you measure that. Well, you must find a way.